Good morning, guys. So the ST is extremely dirty. Gonna go get a car wash. Let's listen to this cold stuff. Man, this shit sounds fucking amazing. Hell yeah. So I'm headed over to the car wash right now. Gonna meet up with La Trenta Pasina. So I stopped by his house just to, you know, see what's up. So now we're going to the car wash right now. And now that I think about it, I mean, yeah, his car's dirty, my car's dirty, but in this current time, it's gonna rain. So everything's just gonna get dirty again. It's like, really no point, honestly, but whatever. Just got to the car wash. So it's actually kind of funny because every time I'm at the car wash, I feel like I don't get any views at all. I don't know why. It's like nobody likes cars getting washed at the car wash. And that goes for any influencer. Name one influencer that has millions of views on a fucking car wash. But yeah, his dirty little egg. Got it out. Barely works. But whatever, it's still a nice car. This thing's dirty, but no point, it's just gonna get dirty again. You know what I mean? Look at that fog low right there. So yeah, I'm not gonna clean it, but he's gonna clean the egg. This thing's new name is called the Egg. The Egg Z. It's the Gen Z Egg. So I'm leaving Valley Center and there's these random pigs on the street. I've never seen this before. These are big ass pigs too. They must have got out somewhere. Holy shit. So I just got here right now to drop off a shirt for Rocha. For anyone who doesn't know who Rocha is, he's in the car club. This is his car. Super nice 370Z. Damn. One day we'll run it. Look at that blue Fiesta ST over there. What's up, fool? And it's gone. Anyways, just dropped off some Esco's Finest merch. The tuning is still not done on the ST. And the reason why I didn't upload yesterday is because my uncle is in the ICU. And I didn't really want to like film or anything like that. Content. You know, it's not supposed to be uplifting, but yeah, man, hopefully things will get better. So one cool thing that I got is a new Symposer Delete, but the difference is that this actually has a vacuum plug. So I need to go Home Depot and find that, screw it in there, and then so I can pull vacuum from here, and then I cap off the sensor that's in here. But yeah, I'm not gonna probably put this on today, maybe a different time, but yeah. So I'm going to the store right now just to get some things. So about the sound Symposer Delete, I just need that little vacuum thing from Home Depot. I already said that. But yeah, today's video is not gonna have too much exciting stuff in it, just getting a lot of stuff done. It's kind of hard to do normal things in life when your family is in the hospital, and it just, man, really puts a toll on you because sometimes you can't go through your day without seeing them, you know what I mean? So, especially when they did so much for you and everything. I just can't get over these turbo sounds. as you can see, it's pouring rain. I was gonna do logs, but I'm not gonna do that, and I'm still dealing with what's going on in my personal life, and that's just one of a million things of honestly why I call this channel Dom's Agony. Nobody wants like a fucking Debbie Downer, but when there's nothing you can do about it, there are ways you can cope with things, you know what I mean? So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. I can't guarantee that for the next couple of days, or actually next week in general, I will have a video up, but I always try, and I always try to keep my head up. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram tag on the bottom left corner of this video, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.